In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up client portals on monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to log in. You'll want to open your browser and navigate to monday.com. Once there, log into your account. This will bring you to your dashboard where all your existing projects and boards are displayed. Next, you will create a project board. This board will serve as the central hub for all your clients' projects. Think of it as a dedicated space where everything related to your client's activities can be organized. Now let's configure sections and tasks on this newly created board. Organizing the board is crucial for clarity. You should set up groups and columns that align with your project needs. Common sections that are often included are tasks, important files, and project updates. This will help everyone involved to easily navigate and find what they need efficiently. Once you have your board set up, it's time to invite your client as a guest. Look for the Invite button on the board interface, which is usually located at the top right corner. When you click on that, you'll need to enter your client's email address. It's essential to invite them specifically as a guest. This way, they can access only this board without seeing your entire internal workspace, which keeps your sensitive information secure. The next step is to adjust guest permissions. This is an important part of the process. You need to control what your client can see and do on the board. For instance, you can restrict their access to any internal team discussions or sensitive data. However, make sure to allow them to view timelines, status updates, and deliverables. This ensures they have access to the necessary information without compromising your team's privacy. Now that your client is set up with access, let's optimize columns and views. Start by adding custom columns for timeline, status, and files. This way, your client stays informed about project progress and knows exactly where things stand. Having these columns will help streamline communication and keep everything transparent. Next, consider setting up different views to present project progress. Options like a Gantt chart, calendar, or Kanban view can make project details easier for your client to understand. Each view offers a unique way of visualizing the project's timeline and tasks, so you can choose the one that best suits your client's preferences. Finally, let's talk about centralizing communication. Use the board not just for tracking tasks, but also for sharing updates and managing files all in one place. This ensures that both your team and your client are always on the same page, which is vital for successful collaboration. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll effectively set up a client portal on monday.com that is both functional and user-friendly. Happy project managing!